Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Dollar Tree. And I got so much big items. Let me just show you real quick. So I bought several of these just to put my 8.5 and 11 paper in it. And then I bought that sticky pad for somebody. And I bought some more of these containers to put some different notions in there. I just started filling them up just with, little knickknacks so I can put them on my shelf. And so most of them in the hexagon, but I did get, because they ran out of those, 2 of these shapes and then 3 of that shaped. So I was in them rolling, just like, I just gotta go with it. I did pick up some beads and just a different shape, same colors. They're the only colors they had with the spring ones, and these are the round, the square, and the oblong. The same 5 set color piece. Just 200 of them. And then also these in the plastics, 250 of these. Whoops. I picked up 2 frames. Try for work for my office, but I'm thinking because of the shape, I was gonna see if one of my diamond dots picture would fit in here. It probably won't, because it's probably gonna be too thick, and if so, I can just use this, still put some family photos in there, just stick it on my wall. But I just thought it was, different shape. And same thing for this one, which is 11 by 14, but you can get that, but it was $1, so I was gonna just try to see which way my diamond dots fit, and then I was going to use that. And then I got from Walmart, I got some more of my label maker, and this was some yarn for somebody I picked up for them. Didn't have those colors at their store. They promised to give me some of it for picking it up for them. It's like, oh, I can make some tassels out of that. And then I just got some of the new Dollar Tree gingham colors, which I hadn't seen before. Love this red and black, navy and white, blue and white, orange and white, red and white, pink and white, and green and white. So that was the 7 new colors, all the gingham. So anyway, that is my Dollar Tree haul. So, and that a little bit from Walmart. Thanks for watching and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye.